Transform your income by transforming concrete. We can show you how to give your customers the high-end finishes they're looking for by making existing concrete look like marble, granite, slate, tile, brick, wood, logos, and more. Why does the Concrete Protector provide the most extensive hands-on training in the decorative concrete industry from professionals with 3 decades of combined experience for free? Simple. We aren't just selling packages and throwing you out there to do it by yourself. We are a team. If you succeed, we succeed. Period. We know when you see our comprehensive product line, lifetime technical support, free business coaching, proven marketing strategies, and best-in-business equipment, you'll be convinced. But don't just take our word for it.
Training, I bought a 551 package, and since then we have grew our business to some really big numbers and are seeing a lot of good results out of it.
You should take the time and you should definitely spend the money. It's cheap, you get a deposit back.
Gotta have training. You gotta, these guys are professionals, they're former contractors. You could either go out and make all your own mistakes, or you could come here and get trained and learn from other people's mistakes and learn what not to do, because sometimes that's just as valuable as knowing what to do.
If for any reason you have any reservations or doubts, then come ahead, come down and meet them. Come to Concrete Protector, any of their training programs, and I think that will seal the deal for anyone. I came all the way from Nigeria. I dare say, with a great deal of confidence, that Concrete Protectors, I would say, is the best product on the market globally right now.
Don't miss the opportunity of registering for our free monthly trainings in Ohio or Las Vegas, and visit www.theconcreteprotector.com today to learn more and register for free training.